Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best jewelry washers is probably one of the most underrated tools in any jewelry maker's arsenal. These tiny but mighty components play a crucial role in the durability and aesthetics of your creations. From securing clasps to adding decorative flair, washers are the unsung heroes of the jewelry world. Today, we're diving deep into the world of jewelry washers, exploring their various types, uses, and why choosing the right ones can make all the difference in your projects. Number 5. HELIFOUNER Copper Washers Assortment Kit. Introducing the HELIFOUNER Copper Washers, a comprehensive kit featuring 8 different sizes. This assortment is designed to meet a variety of needs, ensuring you have the right fit for your projects. These washers are crafted from durable copper. This material provides a tighter seal and superior heat resistance compared to steel or rubber alternatives. The copper construction offers excellent conductivity and is highly resistant to corrosion. This makes it ideal for use in demanding environments. These washers are perfect for a wide range of applications, including electrical connections, automotive, and marine uses. They are suitable for any threaded or bolt-type connection. The kit includes 150 pieces in the most commonly used sizes. They are easy to install, reduce friction, prevent leaks, and ensure a secure connection. What we like. This kit offers a variety of sizes, ensuring you have the perfect fit for any project. Its copper construction provides excellent heat resistance, making it ideal for applications where temperatures fluctuate. If you're working with automotive or marine projects, this is a great choice because it is corrosion resistant. What people say. They serve more than one application and seal very well. We didn't use any, but they have tons of different sizes, more than enough for any application, and it was cheap. I use the copper washers for jewelry making and wanted pure copper that I can treat with liver of sulfur to age and tarnish. I can confirm that these rings will tarnish and the effects I've achieved are as EXP. Number 4. OHINGLT 925 Sterling Silver Beads, 2.5 mm. These beads are made in Italy with pure 925 sterling silver, guaranteeing quality. The material ensures durability and a beautiful shine for your jewelry. The 2.5 mm size is ideal for creating intricate designs. Each bead has a 1.1 mm hole, perfect for stringing onto various cords and wires. You'll receive 100 pieces, providing ample supply for multiple jewelry projects. It's enough to create several bracelets, necklaces, or earrings. These sterling silver beads are perfect for bracelets, earrings, and necklaces. They can also be used for pendants and other decorative items. Use these beads as spacers to keep your designs neat and prevent tangling. They help maintain alignment and add a professional touch to your creations. What we like. These beads are made in Italy, guaranteeing quality and craftsmanship. Crafted from genuine 925 sterling silver, it adds a touch of elegance to your designs. If you like creating layered jewelry or adding a touch of sophistication to your pieces, you should consider this. What people say. The washers are perfect for jewelry making. They are the perfect size for my needs. The washers are exactly what I needed. Number 3. SHKIBY 1/4 Stainless Steel Fender Washers. These washers from SHKIBY are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring they are durable and long-lasting. They are designed to withstand various conditions, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor projects. Made from 18-8, 304, stainless steel, this hardware offers excellent rust resistance. This feature makes it superior to regular steel, ensuring it performs well even in wet environments. With an inside diameter of 1/4 inch and an outside diameter of 1 to 1/4 inch, these washers are versatile. The 0.050 inch thickness provides the necessary support for your projects. These washers are incredibly strong and reliable for all your needs. They are perfect for use in wood and wet environments, providing the support you need. SHKIBY washers are made with the highest quality materials available. We stand by our claim that they are strong, corrosion resistant, and will support all of your projects. What we like. Made from 18-8, 304, stainless steel, it offers superior rust resistance, perfect for outdoor use. Its strong and durable construction ensures your projects last. If you are working on projects exposed to water or harsh conditions, this is a great choice. What people say. Good quality. I use them to fenders when screwing raised beds. It makes the area around the screws hold stronger and better over longer periods of time. Worked great for my chicken run. Number 2. binifiMux M10 Copper Sealing Washers 50-pack. Introducing the binifiMux M10 Copper Sealing Washers. This pack contains 50 pieces, perfect for various applications. They are designed for durability and performance. These washers are made of high-quality copper. It offers excellent non-magnetic properties, along with great conductivity and thermal performance. This ensures a reliable seal. The washers are corrosion-resistant, ensuring a long lifespan. They are designed to withstand demanding conditions, providing a secure and lasting seal. You can count on them. These flat-ring copper gaskets are ideal for electrical connections. They are suitable for household appliances, commercial equipment, and automotive uses. It is a versatile solution. Use these washers in applications with threaded or bolt-type connections. They provide a tight seal, preventing leaks and ensuring optimal performance. They are easy to install. What we like. These washers are made of copper, ensuring excellent thermal conductivity. They are also corrosion-resistant, making them suitable for various applications. If you need reliable washers for electrical or automotive uses, you should consider this. What people say. I was having high heat and high resistance issues on 3 8-inch connections to a high current bus bar in a battery inverter system. I put one washer above and below each cable connection and tightened them down. This resulted in a significant decrease in both voltage drop across the connections and heat generated at the posts as verified with a voltmeter and a thermal camera. Exactly as ordered. Ran a 10mm bolt through it when I received it, and it was a good fit. I know it's not their intended purpose, but they work great for stamping. This is 1 strike per letter on a coffee table. Number 1. ABBECIAO 1-washer stamping blanks for jewelry making. These blanks are made of high-quality metal aluminum. They have a smooth surface, are durable, thick, and lightweight. It's easy to imprint and creates a deeper impression. The diameter of these metal stamping blanks is 1 inch, or 25 millimeters. The hole is 0.05 inches, or 13.5 millimeters, and the thickness is 1.5 millimeters, approximately 16 gauge. Each blank features a protective coating on both sides to prevent scratches during shipping. This film is easy to remove, so you can start stamping right away. You'll receive 50 flat round washers, which is a great quantity for your jewelry stamping projects. This provides plenty of material for your creations. These washers are perfect for stamping projects. It's very easy to use numbers and letter stamps to make personalized handmade jewelry. You can create badges, charms, pendants, necklaces, and custom keychains. What we like. These blanks are made of aluminum, making them lightweight and easy to stamp. It also features a protective coating to prevent scratches. If you enjoy personalized jewelry making and want a blank canvas for your creativity, you should consider this. What people say. The washers are perfect for jewelry making. They are the perfect size for my needs. The washers are exactly what I needed for my jewelry projects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.